Hello YouTubers, this is a video of the new Bauer 8-inch bench grinder with an LED light that I just purchased today. Got it all set up. I'm going to start it up and see how it runs. Actually, I want to pull this around, see nothing makes a noise, nothing hits. All runs good and quiet. Okay, here we go. Start it up. It has an LED light, as you can see right there. It's adjustable. It'll move around anywhere you want it, or whatever work you want to do. Should be a pretty good bench grinder. Nice and quiet running. It has a groove over here for sharpening drill bits, what have you. This wheel over here is the fine grit, and this is the larger grit, which is more coarse, is what I'm trying to say. So it sounds like it runs pretty good. It has electrical shields up here on both sides, and got metal casings on the sides for protection. I'll turn it off and let it run down. Kind of sounds like a jet plane going off, slowing down the speed. As I said, this is the on and off switch down here. This is off, flip it over is on. These wings are adjustable right here. You can adjust them, tighten them up, move them around. And also these brackets on the inside here will adjust in and out. You can adjust this up and down, in and out, however you want it. She's still slowing down some. I'll have a couple of pictures at the end of this video, so if you give me a like if you like it, and subscribe if you want. Again, thanks for looking, and there'll be some pictures at the end. Thank you.